Hi, entrepreneur. I want to share a word that really has kind of a deep meaning, but it's used a lot, and that's the word dynamic. You see, business is constantly changing, and in that context, the context of dynamic business, well, it's always changing. There are so many variables, and it's never exactly the same thing. And so when you think about business valuation, and we talk about dynamic business valuation, it has a very different meaning. Because in the past, business valuation wasn't something that you did in a way that it was meaningful multiple times. It was just a one and done. It was like stepping on the scale one time and then seeing what your weight is and going, oh, okay, that's fine. Now that's what it is. But with dynamic business valuation, it starts with discovery. Discovery is really important to know where you are, but from where you are to know where you are going. Now, dynamic in that context is very exciting because every single quarter you have the opportunity really to take your financials and recalibrate a little bit. So as you find clarity, as you find intentionality, that you can calibrate that focus every single quarter because it's dynamic. And then from there, having a system of positive and ongoing feedback, you can achieve exactly what you set out to achieve. Dynamic. Business is dynamic. Your business valuation should be as well. Thanks, entrepreneur.